$324. He's got the card. Alright, ow. My elbow caught it. Give us a second to come in here. Alright, light. Other side. And here we are. This is the King Leisure room. I guess room. It's not technically a suite, right? King Leisure room. And I'm gonna put a bag down before I do the whole tour because we literally just came up with all our stuff. All right, bathroom. It has, they're still doing amenities right now. Like there's face soap, makeup remover, lotion, plastic cups, towels, toilet paper, hook on there, the rest of the towels are there. And then this is their brand, and I think we liked it last time we came. But that's their brand of shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And they have the curve rods. And there's a hem. Waiting for me to finish doing my thing. Alright. Looks like we have hangers and ironing board and iron and thermostats on the wall. I took my mask off there. Bench right there. That's my bags. Full length mirror, wall mounted. Have the king bed, lamps. That clock is not on. But I think if I remember, yeah, they have outlets on their lamps, which is cool because that's where we put the phone chargers, and then we usually put the camera charger right there. It does have a microwave, 2 drawers, has a fridge that doesn't want me to open it. Flat screen TV. They do use Comcast. They gave us a Wi-Fi password. I wonder if you actually can. I didn't ask. They didn't say if you can actually get your own ice right now. And then this is the desk. This is the leisure suite desk. They, like the executive or leisure room, the executive one has a desk too. So I don't know, maybe it's a little bit bigger desk, but yeah. So the leisure and executive both have desks. And there's another outlet. Oh, there's 2 outlets on the desk. I might charge the camera over here. There's the unit, comfy chair, and we have a Keurig over here. We did bring our own disposable coffee cups just in case, but they do have a Keurig. Ooh, they have breakfast blend. Oh, it's decaf. They have a decaf breakfast blend, but they also have tea in here. They do have a Keurig. 2 phones. There are 2 phones in here. And the second lamp with the outlets. And then we have our drawer space. But yeah, so again, this is $324.
$324, yes.
Yeah, the King Leisure. Apparently, since the last time we stayed here, they changed the name of it. So this is the King Leisure one. They do have a King Executive. This is more of a hotel for like business travel because it's right off of 407. But as you can see, we actually have the parking lot. So this is actually the parking lot joint with, can't see it from here, but over there is Bass Pro Shop. So they actually share the parking lot with Bass Pro Shop. But this is facing the parking lot side. And then the last time we were here, we were facing internet side. Or internet, interstate. You know what I mean. You like?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.